First, let's use vertical representative rectangles. And we'll just find the area in quadrant 1 from 0 to this x value. And we'll double it because we've got the symmetry of the parabola there. Once we pass this x value, then we're going to do representative rectangles that go from the blue curve to the red curve. So, when we draw these representative rectangles, we know that's going to be a dx problem. But we need to know where the graphs meet, so we can use our calculator and find out that this intersection point is around 0.5, negative 0.7, and this intersection point is about 1.49 and 1.221. Now, when I found these intersection points, I didn't round. I stored all 8 decimal places of accuracy in register C, and the y value I stored in D, and for this point I stored all the accuracies of the x value in A and the y value in B. Alright, so the area of region R, the yellow region, first we'll go from 0 to this x value, which is C, and we're just doing up in the quadrant 1, so I'm going to double that region. And then we're going to add these representative rectangles from this x value to this x value, which is C to A, so the integral from C to A of the top curve minus the bottom curve. And we get 1.3767-ish. Right. Now, what if we used horizontal representative rectangles? Well, that means we'll be doing the integration with respect to y. So the y values will go from this y value, which is D, to this y value, which is B. So the definite integral from D to B of the biggest r value, or x value, minus the smallest x value. This x value minus this x value will be the length of the rectangle, which is the red x value, square root of y plus 1, minus the blue x value, which is y squared. There it is. Seems a bit easier, and it gives the same answer. The last thing I'd say about this problem is, since it's calculator, when you find these intersection points, remember, store these values in the registers, whatever registers you want. I chose A, B, C, and D, and label this on your graph, because when I set up the definite integrals, having these points labeled with the A, B, and C, D made this process a lot easier to keep organized on paper, in my brain, and a lot easier to enter to the calculator to get the final answer.